Welcome to the Countryside Hobbyist. Today we're starting a new project to sort out the paintwork on this old car. So this is my son's old car. It's a 2008 C-Max. It's got a fair bit of paintwork that's been chipped on it. There's some dents and lots of rust spots along the bottom and around the doorway, as you can see there. There's lots of little scuffs and little scratches around the handles. Some old attempted repair there that's gone horribly wrong. And some other handle scratches. So what we're going to aim to do over this series of videos is we're going to basically try and tart this car up quite a lot. The wheels need doing, as you can see here. We're going to get some new centre caps for those. There's trim that needs doing around the bonnet, and there's lots of black plastic that's very badly faded, as you can see from that windscreen wiper there, and on the sides of the doors. So there's lots to do on this car. It'll be a little series of little videos. We're going to cover the headlamps as well and get those nice and shiny again. As I say, there's a lot of scratches on it. Some are deeper than others. I'm hoping just to buff some of them out. So the first thing to do with any kind of work on the car is to give it a really good clean. You need to get all that dirt and grime off of it. And that's what my son's doing here in the video, as you can see. So we're going to cover just the start of the work in this video, just to tell you a bit about the car, show you the state that it's in at the start of the project, and then over series of a few videos, then we'll get around to doing little bits of the car in each one. Now I say this a lot because it's true. I'm not an expert. I've never done this before. I have used online tutorials. I really recommend CVR POV as a really good channel for this stuff. But today we're going to do a little bit of work and start off the project looking at the black plastic and the black rubber areas that go around the car. So this car is nearly 20 years old. It's 18 years old. A lot of UV damage, a lot of sunlight's hit it. So a lot of those black areas are now very much grey or almost white in some places, as you can see along the bottom of the windscreen here at the front where the washers are. And there's that windscreen wiper, which is really, really badly faded. So what we want to do is just to give all that a lift and get some of that black back again. So I'm using this product off of the internet, Autoplastic, a black lotion. First thing to do with this is to give all those areas, any work on a car, give all the areas a really, really good clean with some panel wipe or some degreaser. So that's what I'm doing here. Giving that spray on the cloth and then giving that all a really good wipe down to make sure it's as clean as it can be. So all of the black areas on the car, we're going to get that. And then this is the lotion itself. It comes with a little applicator sponge. Just put a few dabs of the polish, the liquid onto the sponge, and then just rub that into the plastic. You can see straight away that that's already starting to look a bit darker. Then you need to leave that for 5, 10, 30 minutes depending on the weather and how hot and how warm the weather is. Let that soak into the black. It's literally like a bit like a shoe polish, I suppose. I've no idea if this is going to stand the test of time, how long this will last. Only time will tell, and we'll maybe revisit the car a little while later to see if some of these things have held up. There's that area again, bottom of the windscreen. Put lots of that polish on. What I found when I did this is that some of the worst areas needed 3 or even 4 coats of the polish. But it's dead easy to apply. Just give it the few drops on the sponge and then rub it into the area you want to do. It also comes with this little microfiber cloth, so once it's dry, it's really useful to then buff that into the work, into the plastic work. Smooths out any little kind of bits where we've got a little bit more polish over others, and it really does actually come up quite nice. There's that windscreen wiper. You can see that black's soaked in quite nicely there. So yeah, quite pleased initially with the finish on this. This is the next day. So that's soaked in properly, and you can see that that slight fading's gone now. I probably need to give it a bit more of a sponge and a touch up here and there. So that's the end of the first video. We'll look at the alloys and the headlamps, I think, next. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you find it interesting. And until next time, keep enjoying your hobbies.